Subaru's 2024 WRX performance car continues to set a high standard with its enhanced features and impressive safety credentials. The fifth-generation WRX now comes with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology on all models, including those with manual transmission, offering drivers an extra layer of safety. Powered by a 271 horsepower, 2.4-liter turbocharged Subaru BOXER engine, and equipped with Subaru's renowned Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive, the WRX delivers both speed and control. Inside, a sleek tablet-style 11.6-inch Subaru STARLINK Multimedia Plus system comes standard, offering wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility for seamless connectivity. For 2024, the WRX is available in 5 trims: Base, Premium, Limited, TR, and GT, with a starting price of $32,735. New for this year is the WRX TR, a model packed with performance upgrades for the true enthusiast. With its balance of safety, technology, and power, the WRX remains a top choice for performance car lovers.